Here's a nice looking car in a body style we don't get into often. 1971 Pontiac Firebird Esprit. Now, very original car. Has had paintwork or repaint along the way due to age. Was a Texas vehicle from delivery in El Paso back in 1971 up until just recently when it came to the Midwest, and it shows. So very original. When I say that, I mean this is the original color this car would have came. The interior is still the same original color. You got to look at the underside of this car, coming from Texas. Very original underneath there. And it is a numbers matching 350 underneath the hood. So very much set up the way that it was when it came from Pontiac back in 1971. One thing that would have changed, as you can see, is we do have the year one 17-inch aluminum rally wheels on this car, which really give it a look. It's got a great stance. New BF Goodrich radials on those, and those are not a year old. There's probably not 400 or 500 miles on them tops. And as you can see, paint in nice shape. Great luster to it, nice reflection. Yeah, you might be able to find a few imperfections on here, but there can't be many looking up and around this car how I've pictured it up. Now, if you want to go where you can check out the still pictures, so you can see underneath the hood, check out the underside. Original pinch welds in this car, so get underneath there, take a look at it. You'll see what I'm saying by Texas car. Pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, call us too. I'd be happy to help you out with this car. Pretty familiar with it. We got the PHS docs on it. Phone number 507-386-1726. Adriatic blue is the color of this car. Paint code would be number 24. Interior was 211, which is a blue interior. You can check out the data tag, cowl tag pictures. It is a true Pontiac Firebird Esprit. Of course, second gen of the Firebirds. But yeah, take a look up and down this. You can see how straight it is. And again, PHS docs, delivering dealer was in El Paso, Texas. That's the last place this car was titled, again, before coming to us in the Midwest. So bucket, center console, it does have an aftermarket older cassette AM/FM put in it. Other than that, dash, interior, a lot looks original in there. Here's what a lot of people like about the 70, 71s, great looking rear to them. And remember, we do consider trades. We can assist with transportation. Financing is available. And this car may qualify for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at the underside pics. Again, you're going to notice how clean this car is, how solid, original pinch welds. The other thing you're going to notice, it does have a newer exhaust on it with accelerator turbo mufflers. So exhaust is new on it. Again, new wheels and tires. Believed to be original miles. Cannot confirm or deny that. Miles only stay so long on the title. Once a car is a certain age, they're no longer on there. And again, take a look up and down this driver's side. You can see free of nicks, dings, scratches. You don't see bubbling above the wheel wells. Nice car. Remember, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to the website where you can see it. All right, let's check out this interior a little more. Just wanted to double check if I'm missing anything here in my notes. Don't really see anything I haven't hit. Fred Snyder, Pontiac, was the original dealer down in El Paso, if I remember right, from the PHS docs, and it was a Van Nuys built car also. There are a few extra pieces that go with it. I noticed there was a part for that. There's a battery tie down, so there are a few extra pieces that go with this. Those will be in the still pictures also. Again, as you can see, very original looking interior in the blue. Only blue color I believe you could have got in this year of Firebird. Original steering wheel. They have a piece of tape here I noticed it's probably for the horn button. Just want to point that out. And dash had one small crack right there, if you can see it. Make you aware of that. Let's fire this up. Again, original dash. By the way, this was power steering and originally an AC car. It appears that the components are still there, just not hooked up. May need a new compressor rebuilt, but it was originally an AC car. I want to make you aware of that. There was your miles, which again, I believe to be original, 89,000 on it. Numbers matching. Aftermarket AM/FM cassette. Other than that one little crack in the dash, does not look bad. Turbo 350, shifter on the floor, center console in nice shape. Hear the nice little rumble out of that 350. Now, headliner, also good. Move over the shoulder belt out of the way. The interior in the back, also in nice shape. What you see is what you get on this one. It's not really hiding anything here. Listen to that. Nice little rumble out of that 350. Accelerate over turbo mufflers. Runs good, nice and smooth. All right, let's go up. I want to show you this engine bay. Very stock, also very original looking. It should be that numbers matching engine in there, so let's take a look at it. All right, here we go. Hood pop. Again, 350. Turbo 350 automatic transmission paired with a power steering AC car. Now, I did misspeak earlier. I said that the compressor and everything was there, but it was not hooked up. Still hooked up, freewheeling. But I did not get the clutch to disengage or engage. So AC could use probably a little TLC, but it appears to all be there, and this is a factory AC car, so that may not take a lot to get that going. Now, as far as that Vin Stamp that you can see down in the block, check out the still pictures. You'll see it there fine. There you go, 1971 Pontiac Firebird Esprit, Adriatic Blue. Nice looking car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to the website. Remember, we can assist with shipping. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.